During Christmas break, I got this book. Ever since, I learned Python from its 10 units. And then, I was ready to make my first full Python game. But wait, what do I make? I decided to make a game just like Baba Is You, but in the style of a platformer. Yeah, sorry, but I got distracted by this concept. Totally not because I'm selling it for $5 anywhere I choose to. Totally nothing like that. So I got to work. I started by drawing a green rectangle for the ground. Then, I made a simple movement script and XY variables for the position. As for the player, I used a 32 by 64 rectangle that doesn't actually collide with the floor. It just stays above a certain Y level because I can't code, plus it's a problem for future me to handle. After I did all of that, I decided to switch to tiles. I removed the floor and made a group of 5 tiles, including one blank one for air. After several years and convincing myself to not die, I made tiles generate randomly across the grid. Then, I expanded outwards to fill the screen with a 26 by 16 of tiles. It lagged. You see, every time I use pygame.image.load, it loads an image from the hard drive. So what's the issue, you might ask? Well, there isn't. Except when you load 416 images every frame, especially when the images are the same, the computer lagged a lot. The solution? It's just to use this bit of code that I totally made myself. Then, to link that to the pygame.screen.blit function used for loading the image. Then, it finally did the same thing with no lag. Then I created a player animation with a conveniently placed website. I made the animation, loaded the animations to a list, timed the animations, and bam, you have walking. And for jumping, I reused the image with both legs spread out. I forced it to show instead of the actual animation, and you have jumping. And then, it was time for collisions. I made some scripts to collide with the tiles, and it worked surprisingly well with no errors whatsoever. And then I added a way to switch between ground tiles and air tiles with both mouse buttons, left and right. Then I tested, and then chaos struck. The collision isn't perfect and the player ends up slightly off the wall. How did I fix this? I don't know, because this is where we are now. My plan is to create third positional arguments named CX and Psi, for center X and center Y. These store the center point of the player sprite as an XY position. Then adjust the collision detection to use these arguments. Will this work? I don't know, but I am confident, but still wish me luck. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.